Are you looking to set up your home Wi-Fi network, but feeling a bit overwhelmed? Don't worry, in this video, we will walk you through the simple steps to set up your Wi-Fi network from scratch. Hello guys, welcome to Wi-Fi Booster, your go-to destination for all things related to Wi-Fi speed optimization. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to set up a Wi-Fi network from scratch, perfect for beginners like you. So without any delay, let's get started. Step 1. Gather necessary materials. Before we begin, make sure you have your Wi-Fi router, an internet modem, if your router doesn't have one built-in, Ethernet cables and a computer or smartphone for setup. Step 2. Find the perfect location for your router. The next step in setting up your Wi-Fi network is finding the optimal location for your router. You'll want to place it in a central location in your home, away from obstructions like walls and microwaves that could cause interference. Step 3. Connecting your router to the modem. Once you've found the perfect spot, it's time to connect your router to the modem. Simply plug an Ethernet cable into the WAN port of your router and connect the other end to your modem. Step 4. Powering up your devices. Now that everything's connected, it's time to power up your modem, router, and computer in the right order. Start by turning on your modem, then your router, and finally your computer. Step 5. Accessing the router's management page. Next, open a web browser on your computer and enter the router's IP address into the address bar. This address is usually printed on the router itself or found in the manual. Log into the router settings using the default username and password, also usually printed on the router. Step 6. Configure Wi-Fi settings. Once you logged in, navigate to the wireless settings section. Here, you can customize your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password to something more memorable and secure. Step 7. Save settings. After making changes, don't forget to save your settings. Most routers will have a Save or Apply button at the bottom of the page. Click it to apply your changes. Step 8. Test connection. Disconnect your computer from the router and try connecting to the Wi-Fi network using the new SSID and password you set up. If successful, you're all set. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your home Wi-Fi network. If you're experiencing any issues in the process, don't hesitate to contact our customer support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks from Wi-Fi Booster.